Morning everyone, welcome to Kian Technology. This project is a full stack legal case management system that's allow law to frame a manage client case billing and communication through a role-based secure platform public facing a website for lead generation. And here is a landing page. When you click on this button, we can directly render contact construction. And when you click in this button, it is login. It is securely logged in to admin, client, or president. So this is admin dashboard, like total client matters, upcoming deadline, revenue chart, and this intake lead. This is intake menu. And when you click in this button, when you fill the form, so we can easily uh, save the details. If you seen the details, so you can easily see the detail. And another menu is that client. There is a client details, like edit the data, intake, that's, and view the details. And after that, matters, document, billing, and notes. So if I talk about matters, so this is matter page. When you fill the form, so you can easily save the data. And and it is calendar view, so you can check the data and invoices, date, schedule, event, and documentation. This is documentation menu. This section is very helpful for document and save the informations. Billing, this is billing section. like uh, you can easily create the invoices. So after that, you can render the communication menu page. And you can easily communicate to client, lawyers, and this is very helpful for AI assistant. And you can easily logged out. And this is lawyer dashboard. Here is a dashboard. My client assign matter, pending items, message send. This is new message sending, so you can easily fill the form and update the data. And this is my client menu. Add the client, see the data and view the data. This is matter page. You can easily add the data and save the data. This is calendar menu. They are also very helpful for schedule the time and dates. This is documentation, save the documentation, billing staff. This same thing, buying, purchasing, due or pending, so easily seen the data, total, legals, expenses. You can easily send the mail, send the chat and data, component outboard. It is also AI assistant. This is your profile. So this is also very useful. And after that, you can easily go to client section. And they are also very helpful for client details, active matters, awaiting payment, pending signature, recently resigned, all registry, my lead matters, open the file. This is also save the details and documentation, template, message, billing, and many more things also have, because there are details for client. This is documentation menu. You can easily download the data, images, upload it. And this is billing section. This is also billing menu. You can easily add the payment, mark the receipt. And this is message menu. There have message section, you can easily sharing notes and times. So thank you, that's all about for myself. Thank you so much.